Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Art Content Knowledge exam? This is exam code 5134. This problem set covers the subtopic of media and processes. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following processes is often used to create multiples of the same image? Pasting, retrofaction, screen rolling, or printmaking? Pasting refers to adhering materials together and is not a process for creating multiples of an image. Retrofaction is not a recognized term related to image reproduction. Screen rolling is also not a standard process in the context of creating multiple images. The correct answer is printmaking. Printmaking is a process used to create multiples of the same image, typically through techniques such as etching, lithography, or screen printing. Question number 2. A calotype within photography involves which of the following processes? Covering paper with silver nitrate and dipping into a solution of potassium iodide. Brushing a metal plate with a mixture of sodium chloride and dilute potassium iodide. Brushing thick paper with oil and exposing it to bright light. Or covering a silver iodide plate with asphaltum. Brushing a metal plate with a mixture of sodium chloride and dilute potassium iodide is not correct. This process is not related to the calotype. Brushing thick paper with oil and exposing it to bright light does not describe the calotype process either, but rather a different technique. Covering a silver iodide plate with asphaltum is also incorrect, as this refers to a different photographic process. The correct answer here is covering paper with silver nitrate and dipping into a solution of potassium iodide. This process is part of the calotype technique, which involves creating a light-sensitive paper that can capture images, a significant early development in photography. Question number 3. Which of the following best describes the role of a camera shutter's speed? It controls the amount of time the camera's image sensor is exposed to light. It relates to a camera's typical shelf life. It controls the camera's sensitivity to light. Or it relates to a camera's tone and embouchure. The role of a camera's shutter speed is not related to its shelf life, which refers to the longevity or durability of the camera. It also does not control the camera's sensitivity to light, which is actually determined by the ISO setting. Lastly, shutter speed has no connection to tone and embouchure, which are terms associated with music and not photography. The correct answer, therefore, is it controls the amount of time the camera's image sensor is exposed to light. Shutter speed determines how long the camera's sensor or film is exposed to light, affecting the brightness and motion blur in the photograph. Question number 4. Which of the following best describes a negative image? An image that is developed incorrectly and comes out overexposed. An image that has been compressed to a smaller size. An image where black and white are reversed. Or an image portraying a realistic, sad subject. An overexposed image is one where too much light has affected the film or sensor, but this does not describe a negative image. Compression refers to reducing the file size of an image, not the characteristics of a negative. A negative image does not specifically relate to the emotional content of the subject, such as a sad or realistic scene. The correct answer here is an image where white and black are reversed. A negative image is one in which the colors are inverted, particularly where light areas of the subject appear dark and dark areas appear light. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you can expect to find about the subtopic of media and processes for the Praxis Art Content Knowledge exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.